On September 16 at 5 a.m., using heavy weapons such as tanks, missiles, helicopters, Kyrgyzstan was again attacked by the dictatorial regime of Tajikistan. 59 people have been killed, 137,000 people have been evacuated. Villages, houses, schools, kindergartens, and other civilian objects were completely burned down. Kyrgyzstan is a democratic country with a change of power, free media and opposition. We were attacked by a country where the dictator Rahmon has been ruling for 30 years. Due to the lack of free media and the destroyed opposition, complete control of the political arena and strong propaganda, the Tajik side convinces population that Kyrgyzstan is attacking Tajikistan, which is a lie and a provocation. Military actions and crimes are taking place on the territory of Kyrgyzstan, which once again speaks of an invasion of our country. Our people have nothing against the people of Tajikistan, but we oppose the bloody regime of Rahmon. With his military invasion of Kyrgyzstan, he wants to distract the people from the difficult socio-economic situation, from rising unemployment, corruption, as well as the May protests in the Gorno-Badakhshan region. By creating the image of external enemy, Rahmon wants to extend his family clan regime. Kyrgyzstan is a country of free, peace-loving people. We wish the people of Tajikistan to get rid of the oppression and tyranny of the Rahmon regime as soon as possible, which makes an enemy out of neighbor. We express our condolences to all the families of the victims and believe in the inviolability of the borders and the territorial integrity of the Kyrgyz Republic.